Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, a roof rack, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.